We know that energy is the ability to do work. There are different forms of energy. Heat energy is one of the form. Heat can be identified by sense of touch. If we have a container filled with water, we cannot identify whether it is hot or cold by naked eyes. But if we touch it, we can feel, or if we put a thermometer in that, we can measure whether it is hot or cold. So, we can say heat is a form of energy. Energy means ability of doing work. So, with this heat, we can do various work. For example, cooking. In cooking, heat is used to cook the food. We can define heat as a form of energy. So, this heat energy is also used to do the work. When we boil water in a kettle with its lid closed, we can see after some time the steam coming out of its spout. If we try to block the steam by inserting a rubber cork, the cork will propel. It is the energy possessed by the steam, and this energy of steam which is capable of doing this work is called as heat energy. The same heat energy of steam is used in the pressure cooker, in which your mother cooks the dal and rice. This steam in the pressure cooker builds up pressure inside the cooker and it helps the food to cook, and then it produces the whistle also. Heat is expressed in the units of calorie or joule, same as the units of energy. Heat can be defined as energy traveling from one object to another due to their temperature difference. Let's understand nature of heat. Heat always transfer from hot body to cold body. That means from high temperature to low temperature. Consider we have a metal piece of 50 degrees Celsius temperature, another of 20 degrees Celsius temperature. If we brought both these metal pieces together in touch with each other, then the heat would start flowing from hotter to the colder one. That means from 50 degrees Celsius metal piece to 20 degrees Celsius metal piece. In this case, the temperature of hotter body goes down and temperature of colder body increases, and they attain a common temperature which is intermediate between these two. Applications of heat. There are many applications of heat in our daily life. We use heat to warm our homes in the winter season. We use it to cook our food. It also provides us hot water. It dries the laundries and makes electric bulb glows. In industries also heat is used. It is used to melt, shape, cut, coat and harden metals, and it is used to join the glass, plastic and other things also. Heat is also used to make and process food, prepare many substances like paper, glass, etc. Heat helps also to run the machinery. The heat from burning fuels like petrol, gas, etc. enables to engine to provide the power to move the vehicles like cars, aeroplanes, rockets, etc. In thermal power plants, heat energy of steam causes the wheels of the turbines to spin, which drives the generators and produces electricity. So, right from our home to thermal power stations, heat plays an important role. It does a lot of work for us. Now, let's see various sources of heat. There are many sources of heat. Some sources of heat are sun, fuel, electricity and mechanical energy. These are sources of heat. The sun is the most important source of the heat. Whenever anything is kept outside, it becomes hot. because it receives heat energy. The sun is the most important natural source of heat. If it ever becomes cool, the earth would become cold and lifeless. Though only a tiny fraction of heat produced in the sun strikes the earth, it is enough to keep us and all other organisms on the earth alive. The earth also contains heat deep inside. Volcanoes and hot springs contains a lot of heat which is transmitted from the center of the earth. These heat can be used to produce electricity and to do other work. Fuels such as coal, wood on burning produce heat and it is used in various forms. Nuclear energy. Scientists are now able to use the nuclear energy to generate large amounts of heat, which is in turn used for various purposes. Friction. When two bodies are rubbed against each other, heat is produced. For example, it is commonly seen during the winter season, you rub your palms together to get the warmth. So, by friction, heat energy is produced. Electricity. We know that when electric current flows through a wire, the wire gets heated. It is because of the heating effect of electric current. The flow of electricity through the metal generates heat and it is used in various appliances like electric oven, electric heater, cooking ranges, dryers, toasters, etc.